Hey, I'm Paul, here to help you choose the perfect sole footbed. The first thing you need to know is that all sole footbeds feature the exact same signature supportive shape. That means they all have a deep heel cup and they all have the same industry-leading supportive arch. All sole footbeds are also custom moldable to your unique feet and arch height, meaning whichever of these footbeds you choose, you're going to get custom support dialed in for your unique feet. So with all that in mind, how do you go about picking which sole footbed is best for you? We recommend you start by choosing which footbed is going to work best in your shoes based on thickness and cushioning. Sole footbeds come in 3 thicknesses: thin, medium, and thick. The only difference between these footbeds is the amount of cushioning they have. Our thin footbeds have no bulky cushioning layer. They just feature the support of our supportive base and a top sheet. These footbeds work best in low volume footwear like ski boots, skates, cleats, dress shoes, low volume sneakers, and any footwear that fits a little bit on the snug side. Our medium footbeds feature a layer of high performance cushioning that offers excellent impact absorption without being too bulky. They work great in a range of regular fitting footwear like sneakers and running shoes. Our thick footbeds have twice as much cushioning as the mediums. This makes them our best footbeds for absorbing regular or repetitive impact, but it does mean that they take up more space within your shoe. The thick footbeds are best suited for shoes that have a thick factory insole that you'll remove, or shoes with a bit of wiggle room. This includes various types of boots, but it could also be a sneaker or a trail running shoe that fits a little on the looser side. Once you've settled on a thickness, the next step is for you to decide what material you'd like the base of your footbeds to be made out of. The choice here is between Recork recycled cork and EVA. Our performance collection is made out of recycled cork, including wine corks collected by our own program called Recork. The active collection, on the other hand, is made using 20% post-industrial recycled EVA plastic. So, what sets these two materials apart? We'll start with the recycled cork of the performance collection. Cork is naturally incredibly sustainable. Cork is also incredibly versatile. It's naturally shock absorbing, naturally antimicrobial, it's a great insulator against the cold, and our performance footbeds also custom mold to your feet through wear slightly quicker than the EVA of the active collection. The EVA of the active collection is incredibly durable. Our active footbeds are going to be the best bet if you're looking for one pair of footbeds that you can regularly swap between different pairs of shoes, and they're also going to be your best choice if your footbeds are likely to get soaking wet on a regular basis. Once you've decided on a thickness and a material type, you have one last decision to make, and that's between the classic sole shape or a wide footbed or a footbed with a built-in metatarsal pad. Sole wide footbeds have a wider forefoot specifically designed to fit seamlessly in wide and natural splay footwear. If you want a wide footbed, you probably already know it. We also make a footbed with a built-in metatarsal pad. The metatarsal pad or met pad is a small upward bump in the middle of the footbed that helps to support your foot's bones in their natural position and spread, adding circulation and comfort to the forefoot. The met pad footbed is an excellent option for anyone who suffers from Morton's neuroma or metatarsalgia, and it's also great for adding a sense of space if your feet feel cramped on a regular basis, which could be in ski boots or snowboard boots or cleats or other snug fitting footwear. Finally, the met pad is an excellent option for anyone who gets numbness or tingling in their toes. So that's it, folks. Choose a thickness, choose a material type, and choose between a regular, a wide, or a footbed with a built-in metatarsal pad. Remember, you can always return or exchange your footbeds within the first 90 days of purchase from yoursole.com. Happy shopping and enjoy your footbeds.